Start.
Morning. Now we'll do the experiment. Open circuit and short circuit test on single phase transformer. Okay. Before going to the connections, we have to observe what are the things we are taking here. This is the transformer of rating 110 volts, 230 volts, 1 kVA transformer, 110 volts primary voltage, 230 volts secondary voltage, and 1 kVA single phase transformer. Open. Okay. This is the primary side. This is the secondary side. This is the low voltage. This is the high voltage. Okay. Before going to open circuit and short circuit test, first we will conduct the open circuit test. In the open circuit test, we have to take the voltmeter. Okay. Open circuit voltage is low voltage is 110 volts. We have to measure this voltage. That's why we have taken the voltmeter of 0 to 250 volts. And current will be very less. That's why less than 5 amps. We have connected. We have connected for 5. Next, wattmeter should be used low power factor wattmeter. That's why cos phi power factor unity will be a unity power factor. Cos phi less than 1. There is a low power factor wattmeter. And high voltage side is kept open. Low voltage side is kept connected to the supply. Okay, you will observe all these things in the theory. Okay. Now coming to the experiment procedure. Okay, I have to connect the circuit diagram as per the connections. Okay. Now you can see here on the circuit diagram, the phase neutral is the phase neutral. We are getting 230 volt supply here. Next, this is the auto transformer. This is the auto transformer. These terminals you can see here. Auto transformer. These are the supply side terminals. These are the variable side terminals. The supply side terminals already connected. Connected here, phase to phase, neutral to neutral. And this is the variable end. In between these two, first we have connected a voltmeter here. As we are having a variable and fixed, we are having voltmeter here. Connected a voltmeter here. Next, ammeter is connected to again to variable. Ammeter again to the variable. Another end of the ammeter is connected to M. Another end of the ammeter is connected to M. And MC short. Here you can see M and C terminals are short, moving and common terminal. Next, L. From L2 we have connected to LV. Now the LV is 110 here. Okay, from the L we are connected to LV. As LV is connected directly to here, connected to LV. Next V, that is common again to auto transformer. Common again to auto transformer. Right? Okay, this is all about open circuit test. Now we will conduct. Okay, coming to the procedure, we have to apply a rated voltage here. Our rated voltage is 110 because of the primary voltage is 110. We have to rate. First, we have to see our auto transformer should be in minimum position or 0 position. Switch on the supply. Make sure
paper card. Paper card.
No. By wearing this auto transformer, we have to obtain a rated voltage that is 110 volts. 110 volts you can see here, 100, 105. We have to apply a rated voltage. And we have to note down the readings. Okay, after applying the rated voltage, you can see for OC test, rated voltage, rated primary voltage, we have applied how much? 110 volts. And no load current. We got the no load current, that is 2 amperes to 10. We have connected to 5 amperes only. It means that is only 1 ampere by 2. Next, wattmeter reading. Okay, that is 38 watts. Okay. Okay, now we'll bring back the auto transformer to minimum position and we will switch off the supply. And now we'll see the multiplication factor for this. Okay, if we connect here, we should get the same value. If we connect here, we should get the same. If we connect here also, should get the same value. In order to make all those values to the same, we have to see the multiplication factor. How we will see the multiplication factor? Now we will see B1 and E2 are short circuited here. You can see here B1 and E2 are short circuited here. It will give the current reading on the back side here. Okay, B1 and E2 short circuit, that is 5 amperes here. You can see 5 amperes here. 5. And we have connected to 150 volts here. Okay, 5 amperes. Multiplication factor table we have to go. 5 amperes, 150 volts. Our multiplication factor is 1. We have to take in matrix. Okay, now the multiplication factor is same. The thing we will repeat in the slip ring type induction motor as we have done experiment there. Okay. Multiplication factor is 1. Short circuit test here. Off season completed the open circuit test. Now we will start the short circuit test. Okay, in short circuit test, we have to make some connections changes and we have to apply, coming to the procedure, we have to apply the rated current value. First, we will calculate the current value and we will make some changes in the circuit diagram. Okay, as we have taken, 110 volts by 230 volts, 1 kVA transformer, we have to apply rated current on high voltage side. This is the low voltage side. Okay, rated current on high voltage side is 1000. 1 kVA means 1000 VA by 230 volts. Okay, if you calculate, we will get 4.34 amps. It means we have to apply the rated current, that is 4.34 amperes on in ammeter we have to get. Okay. Now I will show what are the changes I had made from OC test to SC. Okay. In SC test, coming to the transformer, low voltage side should be short circuited. Initially, low voltage side we had given some supply, high voltage side open in OC test. Now SC test we have to short circuit the low voltage side. We have to give in supply the high voltage, that is 2. Coming to the voltmeter. Okay, as we are applying rated current, our voltage will be very less. That's why I have taken 0 to 40 volts. Voltmeter or changes from 0 to 40. Initially it is 0 to 250. The voltmeter is 0 to 40. Now ammeter also, initially in no load open circuit test, it will be very low. Now we are applying rated current, that is 4.34 amperes. Okay, now I had changes from, initially I had connected to 5. Now I had changes from 0 to 10. And wattmeter, initially I had taken the cos phi low power factor wattmeter. Now this is the low power factor wattmeter. Initially I had taken cos phi is equal to 0.2. Now I had taken unity power factor wattmeter, that is 1. It won't show cos phi is equal to 1 means unity power factor. That's it. That's why I had taken this. Okay, all the remaining things are same. Okay, I will start the experiment. Before starting the experiment, see, our auto transformer should be in minimum position. Switch on the supply, and we have to apply rated current. That is 4.34 amperes. That is 4. Okay, I will move the auto transformer. Okay, I will move the auto transformer. Now I will see 4.34. It may be. Okay, right. 4.34. And note down the corresponding values. Short circuit current, that is 4.34 amperes. Short circuit voltage, we got how much voltage? We have connected to 40 only. 12.5. 12.5 volts. And wattmeter reading 0 to is between 20, 50 and 0. That is 25. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. We have to bring back the auto transformer position. Now, when there is a wattmeter, we have to see the multiplication factor. You can see multiplication factor here. B1 E2, it is shorten. B1 E2 shorten. B1 E2 shorten here. B1 E2 shorten. It will give current reading 10 amperes. You can use it till 10 amperes. We can use this wattmeter 10 amperes. I have connected to 150 volts here. The multiplication factor table, you go to the multiplication factor table, 10 amperes, 150, or the multiplication factor is 2. So we got the reading 25. It should be multiplied with 2. That is 50 watts. Okay. So we will do calculations. Okay. Thank you.